Craving a quick and delicious egg sandwich? This recipe is pure comfort food bliss. Let's make it in just a few minutes. Here's what you need: 2 eggs, 2 slices of bread, butter, cheese, and seasoning, salt, pepper, and paprika for extra flavor. First, melt butter in a pan over medium heat, crack in 2 eggs and season with salt and pepper. Cook for about 2 minutes until the whites set but the yolks stay slightly runny. Want them fully cooked? Flip and cook for another minute. Now let's toast the bread in the same pan for extra flavor. Flip until golden brown and crispy. Place the eggs on 1 slice, add cheese, and cover with the second slice. The heat will melt the cheese perfectly. And there you have it, a crispy, cheesy, mouth-watering egg sandwich. Just look at that perfect bite. Try this at home and taste the magic. Want more easy recipes? Hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite sandwich.